When high production, precision, automation, and professional turning performance matter, the answer is the Rogue CNC from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Designed specifically for the professional turner, the Rogue combines advanced turning technology with the reliability and durability of a true commercial-grade CNC system. The Rogue focuses on one of Legacy's most valuable CNC capabilities, the turning center. Unlike traditional CNC routers that treat turning as an afterthought, the Rogue is purpose-built to maximize Legacy's exclusive CNC turning techniques. Whether you're producing furniture components, custom millwork, or architectural turnings, the Rogue delivers precision and repeatability professional shops demand. At the core of the Rogue is a fully welded commercial-grade frame engineered for stability and long-term accuracy. Its rigid construction minimizes vibration, improves cut quality, and provides the durability required for demanding production environments. This is a machine built to perform day after day, year after year. The Rogue's enclosed design creates a safer and more comfortable work environment by protecting the operator, reducing sound levels, and improving workshop air quality. Inside the machine, bright LED lights keeps the workspace clearly visible, while the turning center fixture is positioned within close reach for quick and easy setup. Unlike traditional CNC woodworking machines that position dust collection close to the turning action, the Rogue utilizes 6-inch dust ports located along the back side of the machine. Gravity naturally funnels sawdust towards the ports, while the dust collection system creates a constant downdraft through the enclosure. The Rogue features the traditional 4 axes of CNC control, allowing the machine to approach the material in 2 different ways, turning and indexing. Turning operations allow continuous rotational machining, while indexing enables precise multi-sided milling and carving techniques. The Rogue also includes an automated tapering axis that tilts the entire turning center on an angle. This advanced capability allows turning and multi-sided milling techniques to be applied on both flat and tapered surfaces. As the tapering axis adjusts the workpiece, the surface is automatically realigned to remain parallel with the cutter during the machining. Without this function, many tapered designs would traditionally need to be carved instead of machined efficiently. By combining these techniques, the Rogue can produce an incredibly wide range of complex part designs with exceptional precision and repeatability. The Rogue provides an impressive turning envelope of up to 15 inches in diameter and 72 inches in length. This capability gives professional shops the flexibility to produce everything from smaller decorative components to large architectural turnings. The Rogue also features Legacy's Smart Tool technology, which automatically compensates for tools of any length. This intelligent system reduces setup time, improves consistency, and simplifies day-to-day operations. The result is faster setup and more reliable production. Also featuring automatic tool change capability, the Rogue is designed for true automated production. Load your material, close the doors, and run your program. The machine automatically manages tool changes throughout the process, allowing you to focus on productivity instead of constant machine intervention. Simply set it and forget it. For professional woodworkers who demand advanced turning capabilities, industrial-grade construction, and streamlined automation, the Rogue CNC delivers. Purpose-built for turning, built for production, built by Legacy.